Hey Luca, so I got your email, and I know you were saying, hey, why can't I just go directly across the river? Um, the thing is, with going directly across the river, that would be if building across the river would be cheaper. However, they kind of give us like two different costs. So I have the cost to go across the river, which is 180 foot per foot. And then I would have my cost to go along land, which would be 100 per foot. So the thing I'm looking for is how can I go through and find the smallest one of these, or what I want that X value to be, so that I get the least cost. So I know the one thing you were saying, if I did Pythagorean theorem, I'd have 800 plus x squared. So that would give me my hypotenuse across the river, which I believe they tell me is what, 180 per foot. So whatever that x is, I know that the square root of 800 plus x squared is that distance across the river, and then I just multiply it by the 180. Then I have to go through and find that thing that I have highlighted in orange. So that distance I have highlighted in orange is that 2 miles, and then take away that little x. So then I know that would be my, was it 10,560? So I had to put that in feet because my other one's in feet, and I take away that little x, and then that expression there is equivalent to what I have highlighted in orange. And then they tell me that cost is $100 per foot. So now I believe that that's our function. It gives us the cost in terms of x. So however far over I go along the river, that'll go through and give me whatever the cost is. So if I wanted to go, 100 feet from P, I can go through and come up with the cost. And then I think somewhere along the line, they want you to find the minimum cost. And this is something you would need a calculator for, where you could go through and substitute that all in, run a table, look at a graph, and say when it's at a min. At some point in calculus, you do develop something like this, where then to go and find that minimal, or to find the optimal value, then you're going to have to use a little calculus and derivatives. But that would be something for next year. So I hope this helps. If you still have any other questions, let me know, and we can hopefully go through and get those things answered. All right, take care.